So just a real quick reminder about how to make the Google Doc surveys your own, just in case you forget. Click on these links right here and it will take you to the editable version. So if there is anything you want to change, you're welcome to do that. Then make sure up here that this box is not checked. Mine says Ingham ISD because it's an Ingham ISD account. Here at Waverly, it'll say Waverly. Just make sure that's not checked. It'll make it a little easier for you unless you really want Kit to see who is turning it in. Down here at the bottom, couple boxes show a link to submit another response. If you want kids to be able to submit it again, you probably don't really need that check because it's a one-time shot. And publish and show a public link. So if you want kids to see what other kids are posting, you can check that. That's totally up to you. Once you're here, you're going to go to File, Make a Copy. And you can name that whatever you'd like. You can put in your classroom name, doesn't matter. Or you can just leave it as copy. Hit OK. When the new one comes up, this is where you'd want to change it to make sure that is not checked, require Ingham ISD, and then down here you can decide what you want checked, but it's probably easiest if you leave them all unchecked. Then this link right here that says View Live Form, that is going to give you your survey. Copy and paste this link. If you have a class Weebly or something like that, you can put the form right in there. Otherwise, if you're just going to be giving kids a link to follow, you can go to tinyurl.com. And at tinyurl.com, you can paste that really long link in right here. And it can either make one for you or you can type in one. So you could say, you know, Mrs. Smith class and hit Make Tiny URL. I'm not going to do that. But once you click that button, it will then tell you if that one's available. And if so, that's the link that you will give to your class. And then you can do the same thing with the post test. Oh, and real quick as a reminder, once all of your kids take all of this, if you want to see the results, you go back to the copy that you made of it, and then you can go to View Responses. And here you'll be able to see the spreadsheet. And then what's really cool is when you click on Form, you can click on Show Summary of Responses, and that's where you'll see the pie charts and the bar graphs.